Hola cabros, hello friends. Today I got Cora's breakfast. So we're gonna see what we get. I mean, I know what I ordered, but you don't know. I'm gonna show you. Please give us a positive review. You can get skip reward points. What happened? Something happened here. They probably forgot something, I guess. Oh, they gave me like a candy thing. Me dieron como un dulce. So, what they forgot is a straw for my smoothie. Luckily, I had one. Tenía yo una bombilla para mí. What's it? Mango, what was it? Let me see. Mango pineapple, I think. Could be mango piña. Then I have my latte here. This is a maple syrup latte. Then this, I don't know what it is. Oh, they give it to me like this. It's all the fruit that comes with the waffle. Que viene en un waffle. I thought, okay, because on the picture they have the waffle, you know, with the fruit on top, and they put the cream on top. I'm gonna show you in the video. I'll put it there. But then you order, and they give it to you like assemble it yourself, right? They give me this. See, that's the cream, and that's all the fruit, and the waffle. I assume that is inside there. I don't know, man. Cause like, of course, I'm not gonna make it how it looks, right? Good cream. Obviamente que no voy a hacer el waffle como tiene que quedar, but oh my god, yeah, everything is kind of messy. This is how it came. So that's the waffle. I mean, we can try it, right? Like something like that. I don't know. Just add the fruit right there. It's good anyway. Then we have the potatoes and the bacon. That I think I'm gonna move it to this area here because so we don't mix the salty with the sweet. And also the egg already, broke and everything, but it doesn't matter. Anyway, so that's the food. Potatoes with some egg, over easy egg, un huevo frito, with some bacon, and this waffle. That multi-grain toast, which I usually use to dip on the egg when it has not fall apart. Cuando no viene todo desarmado, uso las tostadas estas para untar en el huevo, pero en este caso el huevo ya viene que estaba más caído que the bacon. Good bacon. They didn't even send me napkins. I don't know if I'm gonna give them the 5 stars because of that. No napkins, no straw. Anyway, so I'm gonna show you how I'm planning to eat this waffle. Yes, grapes, blueberries, bananas, strawberries, peach I think is the other thing. So I'm just gonna do this. Look at this, huh? It's custard, which is delicious and vicious, because I already tried it. Ya la probé. But now, how do we eat this though? I guess I probably need a knife, or no, maybe not. Yeah, maybe not. Maybe yes. Let's focus on the maybe not. Oh yes. Okay, it's pretty good. Está muy buena. Yeah, better with a knife, huh? I guess if you order this at the restaurant, the waffle probably would be hot or warm and crunchy maybe. Si lo piden en el restaurante, me imagino que el waffle vendría más, no así, not like moist. I think, because I've never ordered it there. Nunca lo he pedido ahí, pero me imagino. It's pretty good though. It's very, very good. If you have a sweet tooth. Si te gustan las cosas dulces. And then if you like salty, you get the potatoes and the bacon. Wow. Muy bueno. As a video, I'm gonna just try my coffee, my running cafe. Good, little bit sweet, but good. Ya cabrón, nos vemos. See you soon. Ciao, bye.